I'm back with yet another Myntra haul. And by the way, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, I would highly recommend, or I'm just reminding you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I guess there'll be more videos than one video a week. Yes, I'm in full sway. When there was a Black Friday week going on, I got a couple of sweaters and a couple of kurtas. When I was ordering, I thought like, oh, that's a big order. But now, when I'm just segregating, okay, so it will be a little bit smaller haul, but I think you're gonna enjoy it. So keep on watching. So let's dive further into the haul. And let's start with the sweaters, because sweaters are the essential of the season, because it's getting a little bit chillier, so we're gonna take this advantage to rock our sweaters and bright sweatshirts. What do you see? And the first sweater which I got is this off-white. Sorry. The first sweater which I got from Myntra is this off-white knitted sweater. It's not like a heavy knit sweater, it is like a light knitted sweater, which are good for light winters. If you're having like chilly winters, you can definitely layer it with more sweaters. Yes. And yeah, this is a very basic turtleneck sweater. I wanted to get a turtleneck or high neck in general white top from H&M, but that was out of stock. But that was out of stock on Myntra and even the H&M website. So then I checked for the white turtleneck and I got this off-white turtleneck sweater, and this is from the brand, let's see, Tokyo Tokis. Yeah, this is from the brand Tokyo Tokis, and sizes and size, price, everything I'm gonna put it on the screen because I just don't remember. It's been a long time. Yeah, this is one. This fits me so well. Yeah, this fits me so well, and this can be styled in so many different ways. All the looks are just brewing in my head, so you're gonna see more styling videos this winter on both YouTube and Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on my Instagram handle is on the screen and down in the description box below. Yes, you're gonna see some cutesy little styling videos over there, so I want you to follow there. You to follow my Instagram page. Yeah, say hi there. Okay. And the next sweater is the next sweater is this sweater. Don't get me wrong, like this is a sweater, but this is a sweater in a kaftan model. Like, at least I named it a kaftan model. They did not name it as a kaftan model. I named it a kaftan model sweater. And I got this sweater from the brand Roadster. Roadster is my favorite brand for street style on Myntra. They have some amazing pieces, amazing pieces at affordable rates. I got this from Roadster. This has this drop arms, what do you call it? And it has a really big armhole. Yeah, if you're comfortable like this, you can definitely wear, but you can definitely layer some turtleneck underneath. Maybe this. If it's a little bit chillier, or else you're gonna get sweaty. But this also comes with a turtleneck, but this turtleneck and that both of the turtleneck itch me a little bit. I don't know, like, yeah, they do itch me a little bit, but yeah, that's fine, like style over comfort any day. Yeah. And the next one is a sweatshirt. Like, I'll show you. Is this sweatshirt with a zipper and a hoodie. Well, this sweatshirt I got from my mother because for those extra chilly days here. So yeah, this looks so good when you layer with kurtas or even saris and stuff. And the color, oh god, this color looks so pretty, like pretty color. This is like this peach color. This is also from the same brand, the Roadster Life. Yeah, this has this, you know, what do you call this? Fleece lining or something like this, you know, which is very, very soft. Which most of the sweatshirts are actually having it right now. Even this sweatshirt has like this fleece lining here, which is great because you get that soft feeling from the inside, like cozy and soft, no matter how hot it is outside. That's it for the sweaters. Yeah, that's it. And the next one is the next category we're gonna go is kurtas. There are 3 kurtas. The first kurta is this beautiful magenta pink kurta from Sangria. Yeah, Sangria is a very renowned brand on Myntra. I've seen many YouTubers speak about the brand, but I have not really dipped my finger into it because they are somehow, like for kurtas, I think they're a little bit, ever so little expensive. Not super expensive, like for the normal range kurtas. For me, kurtas are somewhere between like under 600 or 700, but they are like above 1000, right? So a little bit. Yeah, but the quality is decent. It's not like wow quality, I don't think like that, but it's a decent quality kurta with this, what do you call, pleats. It's small pleats at the waist so that you get that definition in the waist. Well, this is for my mother, if I haven't told yet. Yeah, this is for my mother. Yeah, this is a very pretty kurta because of the color, of course. What should we say about kurtas? That's it. Next kurta is also from my mother, and this is from the brand. Wait, let me see. Anahi. This is from the brand Anahi. This is beautiful indigo color. My mother loves this color, so we got one kurta in that color. Beautiful indigo color with a little like broader border. Oh my god, that's a tongue twister. It also has the small in pleats at the waist to give that definition which we all are here for. And yeah, this, but to be honest, I remember getting this for a lesser price than the Sangria one, but this is made really well than that kurta because this is more, the material is more thicker than that, and I think this should last for a really long time, which is great. Okay, which is great. We want kurtas to last for a really long time. Yeah, that's it about this. And this also of really good kurta, and I guess I got this around for 450 rupees, which is a great price for the quality. I'm so into this quality. And the next kurta is from my favorite brand from Myntra, that is AKS. If you don't know, I've got quite a bit. How many ever times I make a Myntra haul, you're gonna see at least one of the clothing piece be from AKS. Yes, that much I adore them because they have this really quirky animal prints and many quirky prints over there, and many Indo-Western pieces which are actually affordable on discounts. Well, the kurta which I got, honestly, they mentioned this as a dress, but this as a dress is a little questionable because the slit rides up really high. So yeah, so this comes with a 2 layers, but the outer layer is attached, so you cannot possibly remove it. This kind of a short kurta in which లోపల is అంటాను. నీకు బాగుందో తెలుగు తగలేదు అని తెలుగు మాట్లాడే ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడు రెండు మిక్సింగ్ చేసి పుల్హర్ చేస్తున్నావు కానీ. The inside it is on this zebra tiger biscuit print, zebra print, and the outside it is this cow print. Oh god, cow prints are so in trend right now, and at the moment I don't know why, but I'm really liking the combination of black and white, which I never liked whole of my life. Like I used to not like black and white that much, but now, oh god, I'm just really loving this black and white kind of combination, which you can possibly see This cutie is peeping. By the way, mask. I got this mask free with it. Like, they did not mention it on the website, but they gave mask free, which is great, of course. Free matching mask. Who doesn't want that? And you can actually wear this mask on any outfit. I did not. I'm not going to try on this. Like, look how good it looks. Even with this. Yeah. That's that. This is an added bonus. That's it about the clothes, and let's just slowly steep into jewelry. I did not get a lot of jewelry. I just got a pair of earrings from H&M. H&M has this this pair of earrings from H&M. As you can see, they are so dainty small. To be honest, these are the smallest earrings I own in my collection. Keeping the stats aside, like these are so pretty. I feel. These are so pretty, so light. Well guys, that's about this cutesy little haul. I hope you enjoyed watching what I got from the past Black Friday sale. Yes, I did get some other things from some other websites, but here's the deal. Because small announcement I want to make in this video is that I wanted to make like a week full of videos where I show you like one Instagram store, one brand which I really adore, made in India brand, which I really adore, so that's going to be coming in the last week of December or even the third week of December, because when all of the items actually arrive. I got this for Sankranti because I want you. Sankranti is not that far away, I know, but we Telugu people, like people in the both Telugu states, we buy clothes especially for Sankranti. No matter if you buy clothes in any for any festival, Sankranti is a really big festival here. So I want you to like invest more in, if you're looking to invest more in made in India brands, I guess that week will be really helpful. Yes, I could possibly make it an all-in-one video, but I don't think there will be due importance to each and every brand. So that is the reason I thought I would make a week full of videos, like 7 videos, 7 days, 7 brands, including jewelry, clothing for men and women. So yeah, I think that should be helpful, and each video will be like around 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it, so that be easy, quick fix if you want to buy anything. And you can actually, I might have made it in the January first week, but I'm not gonna make it that late because you have to have your clothes before Sankranti, right? So that is the reason I'm gonna make it in December only, hopefully, if they get delivered. So yeah, I want to know your opinion or thoughts about this particular announcement. If you are interested, please tell me in the comment section below. And what else? And if you really like watching these kind of videos, fashion videos, self-care videos, I don't my experience on skincare products, like I'm gonna tone it down also. So mostly fashion, self-care and vlogs. I hope you enjoyed my previous vlog. I don't know how many of you have actually watched it, because that went completely, you know, unexpected. No one would have actually expected Kirti to post a video on Monday after 2 months of not posting a video. And thank you for all of the people who have stayed back of all the 2 months of absence of me uploading a video. Thank you so much. And yeah, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And what else? I want you to follow me on my Instagram because it's so much fun there. I post regular stories over there and having some fun. And please make sure you like this video if you like this video, and comment down below what is your view on the week full of uploading videos. Like, what should I call that week? Tell me the name for that series also. And last but not not least, please share it with your friends and family so that we could reach more people, huh? And that's it. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye.